grounded. So, tanggalin yung heater. So, remove the heater and we'll check which heater grounded. And this is the Whirlpool machine. So, this is heater number 1, heater number 1, and heater number 2. Right? So, we'll check one by one. With the figure, twister. If it becomes 0, it means the heater is grounded. This is grounded. All grounded. So this one maybe for cleaning. During cleaning, the fluid is wet. Yeah. Open. So much water. Water there. So the heater also grounded. So we need to remove this. Heater. With blower. We'll use blower to dry the heating element because the insulation is wet. This one, water. So the heater is good, but the only thing is the heater is wet of water. So let's remove this one. It's not easy to remove. So last time I told this wording to clean wrapper. Don't use too much water. So if using too much water, the water going the oil and it will affect our breaker. So no, why not follow or they don't know what's happening in case the water going inside in the machine. So we'll train again this guy. We will train this thing. We will inform the supervisor to do the proper training. So here we go. So remove this. Right. That. So here is sweet. So kunin natin ito guys. Tapos i-testing natin para makikita nyo ang dahilan. So medyo hirap na ito. Okay. So this is the problem guys. Clean water inside. This is the problem. Sweet water. So testing natin. Ito. So basa-basa. So basa yung heating element. So try natin yung brake. Okay. Yeah. Okay, ito. Hindi siya basa. So ito lang problema guys. Basa yung solusyon. So ito yung papalitan natin. So tapon natin yan. Papalitan natin ng bago. Hindi basa. Ito lang yung kalagay niya guys. Ulitin na natin na para makita nyo. Okay. Ito yung step. Ito yung step. Yung isang linyada ng heating element dito nilagay. Tapos yung body ground nyo. So wala. Pag ito nakadikit sa tubig, nakadikit yan sa body, mayroong kunting basa. Body ground dyan, mag-zero. So tingnan nyo. Tingnan. Mag-zero yan. So umiiyak yung natin, bigyan. So pag i-alis natin sa basa, tapos i-ano natin, ito i-alis natin, dito yan, i-hold natin, tapos i-body ground natin sa machine. So wala. Mayroon siyang 8 ohms. Okay? So yung isa ganun din. Basa din to. Dahil yung heating element sa baba, sa itaas, dalawa to. Ito yung Whirlpool machine, tawag na Whirlpool machine. At yung sa likod. Ito na. Yung dalawa to guys. So, yung mahirap. May problema yung heating element. So, ang gagawin natin, may ano natin dun sa para hindi tayo mahirapan, tayo ibalik. Ibalikan natin yung buong insulation. So, ibabalik natin to guys. Ibabalik natin na walang insulation. Dahil pag mabasa yung insulation, problema tayo. So, try natin. Kunin natin to. Hindi natin lagay para hindi mag-accumulate yung tubig. Walang problema. Pero yung init, papasok dito. So, hindi naman masyadong mainit. So, try natin. Hindi natin yan lagyan. Para laging nagka-problema tayo dito. So, try natin. Kunin muna natin yung insulation. Okay guys? Ayun lahat. So, ito basa. So, pag basa, pag-attach yung wire dito, pag-grounded yung heating element. So, nagamit tayo ng L7. kahit hindi naka-short o naka-touch yung conductor sa body, kahit tubig lang matipid yung LCB. So ito yung problema. So kunin natin yung insulation. Hindi na muna tayo lagay ng insulation. Kinising natin, hindi na siya nagka-ground. Kinuha natin yung basa na insulation. Okay. So, yung isa, rapid. So, ito yung isang heater. So, tanggalin natin. So, basa gamitin, ginimin. Ito. So, basa. Idalay natin ito. Dito sa taas. So, pwede naman hindi lagyan. Dati basa-basa talaga. So, basa-basa. Basa kayo, basa. Basa, bigyan. Yan, guys. Ay, tubig siya. Oh, may tubig. May tubig talaga yan. Mabrabit. So, may tubig. May siya. So, tapos dito. Okay, ayan, ulit na. Okay, so linisan natin to. Dahil mayroong tubig. Oh, tubig siya. Kaya nag-grounded yung heater. Heater. Okay, so, linisan natin. Hey, wait, what? You know what?
Here water?
Yeah, you're cleaning here. That's why I put some coat. It's asking to.
Water is different.
What? I requested one. I think. Bicycle. Very good. Yeah.
These people every day put the water in the sun. He also want to prepare it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good.
This will after clean and see. Then it is open. Have to put water. After like this.
Yeah.
I'm sure that will.
That's good.
No, not it.
No, understand.
Yeah, yeah.
Body ground guys. So, ito yung testingan. So, ano ba? Ano ba yung ground? Testingan daw. So, kung wire din na. Ano ba yung body ground? Wala na ba yung mabasang wire? Wala. Okay na siya. Ito, ano yung bad? Ano yung ground? Ano yung taon? Cover. So, on power. Okay na siya. So, wala siya mo trick. Kaya okay naman ang heater. Okay guys, thank you for watching guys. Thank you. Approve na yan. Approve na yan.